Hello everyone, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. Today we are going to do pick a card. The current feelings of your partner. What do they think about you? What are their current feelings? What do they think about the connection? So let's find out. Here there are three cards or pile you can say. First is the orange sheet with the yellow stone, and this is the blue sheet with the yellow stone, a yellow sheet. Blue crystal with the yellow sheet, this is the white crystal with the pink sheet. So intuitively you can just pick up one pile. You can pause for a few seconds and the video and select a pile, and then timestamps will be given. You can directly go and see your reading for whichever pile you select. So let's start. I'll take up pile number 1 and we'll see what are your partner's feelings for you now. So let me just move these two, pile 2 and so this is pile number 1. I hope. Okay, so here you can see it. Now I'll be pulling the cards. Current feelings of pile number 1, partners. What do the partner of pile number 1 feel about them? About the connection, about the love. What does the pile 1 connection, the partner, the person of pile 1 think about them, about the current situation, about their current feelings? So let's find out. 10 of Pentacles. Okay, great card. So I'll take it one by one. 8 of Pentacles in reverse. The Judgment card, beautiful. King of Rods, very nice. 2 of Cups, so beautiful spread. So, I see a very good spread here, pile 1. 10 of Pentacles. I mean, this is where they are looking to. They want to marry you, they want to be with you, they want to have a family with you. Pile 1, very lucky. They want to have kids with you. So they really feel about you they are very much in love with you. So and they want a family with you. They see the future spouse in you. So if some of you are planning to get married, marriage is happening soon for you. And if some of you haven't planned, so it's time to get ready, pile 1. So beautiful card here, pile 1. 10 of Pentacles, and it's going to be, if you get married, it's going to be a very beautiful connection, beautiful, you will have all happiness, everything that you want in a marriage, stability in marriage, love in marriage, like a family, you will have kids, beautiful family, in the coming future. So this is a beautiful card. Now 8 of Pentacles in reverse. I feel they have worked hard for this relationship earlier. Now they are see, usually with in an upright position, it's like working hard. Now sometimes they might not be giving you that attention what you may be needing, like in the relationship you might be thinking, oh, we should go out together, we should go for dinners, we should go outings, shopping, coffee, So maybe some of you are, your partners are getting a little lethargic, or they are not into that action mode now. And, you miss the time that you spend with them. You used to spend much more time. So now they are in a little, very casual state wherein they're just taking their time out, and they aren't giving that much time which they used to give before. But don't worry, you have the 10 of Pentacles here. Life is not about, you don't have the same scene all the time. Sometimes it's ups and downs. So this is talking about when you miss your partner and they are taking a time out, or there could be another situation that they must be thinking that they have worked hard previously in this relationship. They were asking you for date, and they were asking you for dinners, and they were asking you for going out, but now they've taken a step back and they want you to take action. And this is what I get with the 8 of Pentacles in reverse. So it's high time you get awakened, and you know, or you take the action mode, pile 1, and you know, you balance this relationship. If at all there is anything, you know, you feel that there's a little lag or something, so you can take it forward. The Judgment card. So it's a decision time for, you know, I think they want to settle down, or they want to take the relationship to the next level, but there is some decision that they're going to take. It's high time now to take a decision, pile 1, for them. And you know, the first card, 10 of Pentacles, they want to marry you, they want to be with you. So maybe, you know, an engagement or a marriage, or taking the, even if it is a live-in relationship, you know, it could be taken, your relationship with whatever level it is right now, it will be taken to the next level. A decision will be made. And I feel, you know, with this, just one second, yeah. So I feel within a year or so, you know, you will get this decision. Whoever plans to get married or take the, you know, relationship to the next level, with the Judgment card, and the judgment which you know, your partner is going to take, your partner is feeling, it's really going to a very, very positive and good decision for you both. What, you know, maybe he will consult you or she will consult you and then take a decision. But I see it's a beautiful decision, you both coming together and taking the decision, and you know, it's guided by the divine, it's guided by the divine, so don't worry. King of Rods. So your partner is emotionally very, very attached to you. They really love you, you know, they are very emotional, expressive, ambitious person. They are like King of Rods. I mean, they are very expressive in love. They know how to treat, you know, their person, their love, and you know, they are they also have ambitions with you. They want to grow with you. They want a life which is, you know, the 10 of Pentacles kind of a life here. They want to establish this with you, pile 1. What better than this? And they're going to, you know, write letters to you, or you know, send messages, I mean, very flirtatious messages, and you know, writing a poem or few lines on you, you know, taking you out for romantic dinners, and you know, to some locations which is, you know, exclusive, going for a hot date kind of a situation, what I feel with this King of Cups. So I feel inside this person of yours is very, very romantic, very, very, they find, I mean, they really find you sensual, they find you very attractive, and they have that love has got depth. It's not a very superficial love, you know, it's a very in-depth love that they have for you, pile 1 here. So it's a beautiful spread, as I could see it in the beginning. 2 of Cups. So this is like, I feel they want you know, you and them to be together always. They want you and them to be, you know, much in love. It is like, you know, also this card too talks about taking the relationship to the next level, pile 1. So it's a double thing, you know, with King of Pentacles. I definitely feel, you know, most of you are going to resonate with this, because being a general reading, I cannot say 100%, but most of you, with this last card also coming as 2 of Cups, it's a beautiful relationship. It's a give and take equal. It's not one-sided relationship, you know, yeah, I mean, it's blessed by divine. It's taking the relationship to the next level. You have the Judgment card, you have the King of Cups, you have the 10 of Pentacles, and you have this 2 of Cups. So I mean, there is nothing that can stop you from being together, and currently they are very, very much in love with you. They really think about you all the time, and you know, they want a you know, they want to be in you, within you all the time. That is what I can see here. So beautiful card, pile 1. I'll just pull out an angel guidance card. So let's see, this is the guidance card for you. Now this card is for you, so that, you know, if you want this is the thing that is happening, the current feelings, and you know, whenever you watch it, so this will help your love life get better, your person's feeling get better. So just see what the angel guidance, you know, cards have here. Letting go. So it's like learn to let go. So if there has been issues in the past, because it might be very much in the not recent past, because I don't see any cards like this here. So but if there has been issue, you have to let go of your past, and you have to move forward with whatever is happening. You have to take life now. If you follow this, do not get past incidents in between. If there was a conflicting situations earlier, do not get all those in between. Look forward to life with your person. It's going to be a beautiful journey. That is what I feel, pile 1. So what better than this great card, pile 1. So if you this is what I'm really happy to share these cards. I feel lucky that I'm able to convey these positive messages to you, and even I am so happy to look at these cards, pile 1. So very lucky. So thank you. This is for it now, and we'll take up pile 2. But if you do like my readings, and please subscribe to my channel, like my video, put a thumbs up. So thank you so much for taking your time out and watching the video. We'll take up pile 2 now. Thank you. So pile 2 here. So pile 2. This is pile 2. This is the current feelings of your partner. So let's see what the tarot cards have in store. What does your partner think about you? What are the current feelings? What do they think about this connection? What's happening ahead? Let's see. Ace of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, oh my God, Ace of Swords. What's happening? Let me all find out again, pile 2. Knight of, Swords, and Seven of Pentacles, Two of Swords, and one last card, Two of Cups. So finally we are here. So pile 2, I feel some of you are into a very new relationship here. A new person has come into your life, and this is not a very much longer relationship that you had with the person, or you might just have a new relationship. This is what I feel here. So some new relationship is coming, and it's going to be good. It's going to be growing. It's going to be loyal. It's going to be, full of love. Abundance of love for you with this Pentacle card. There will be stability, though it's a very initial thing, energy. But I see for the new relationship, for the, whoever are going through in pile 2, it is going to grow, and it's going to get you the love and the care that you want for. So Ace of Pentacle card. Now Page of Pentacles. So this I feel is that some of you here is either you're dating a student, or or somebody who is you are meeting them up at a place wherein they are studying. It's college, university, or office, wherever, in seminars, webinars, online, whatever it is. And I feel this person is younger to you. With this Page of, and I feel because it's a very new relationship, it will take some time to develop. With this Ace of Pentacle coming, although it's going to grow, although it's going to grow, and but it's gonna grow slowly. It's gonna take its own time. So this is what I feel. This person, although will love you, will have a lot, might not be that expressive in love. He might or she might not know how to express love much. It's like going out for dinners, having romantic nights, and expressing your love, writing few lines, or some hot messages, something. This person might not know doing that. Because they believe in getting knowledge, true knowledge. That is what again I feel. Or maybe they are absorbed into much important thing, what they think is their priority. But anyways, they are very I feel they are loyal people. That is what is most important. And with the Ace of Pentacle coming, with Page of Swords, if this is your new relationship, it's going to grow well, and it's going to your relationship will prosper. Your relationship will, you will be happy with your relationship. Now we have Ace of Swords here. So you have Ace of Pentacle, Ace of Swords. I feel here maybe Ace of Swords talks about clarity on a situation, a new relationship. Sometimes maybe your partner may be in two minds about whether to carry on, or really they are in love. They might be doubtful. So that is will get a clarity now. If they were having, because I see also Two of Swords. Somebody has left a relationship and coming to you. Maybe they have broken up of an old relationship and come to you. So they are confused. There is a little clarity is needed. So that clarity they are seeking for in the current situation, whether to move forward with this relationship or just stay. It's not about a breakup. Again, take it. It's about just getting a clarity on the situation. They want a clarity on this situation. Maybe some of them are still hanging to their previous person in the life. This is for some of you, not all of you again. And the clarity will come in the current situation. Either they are seeking clarity, or there is a clarity which is coming. And definitely this clarity is in favor of you. Like, yes, you are going to be their person. Once they get this clarity, see, they are rushing. They want to rush towards you. So they have got this clarity like a Knight of Swords energy. They want to rush. They just rushing towards you. It's very, and this person, whoever, it's a very hot, sexy, and fiery energy, kind of rushing towards you. And but you need to be careful. Things which rush and coming, if it's a new relationship, you really need to be, maybe the person is like that, his nature, his personality is like that. They always flamboyant, fiery, passionate, ambitious. But if it's a new relationship, better be a little careful, because the quickly they rush in, the more rushed they move out in certain cases. So that is what is just, I feel, with the Knight of Swords. This is something which came to my mind, and then I thought I should share it with you. So this is what with the Knight of Swords I feel. Now we have this the Seven of Pentacles. So maybe some of your person, they might be sometimes feeling a little tired or in a confusion state, because I already told you, maybe some of them have moved in from other relationships here with this clarity seeking, and they have moved on from other relationship. So sometimes they're still in confusion. And they feel tired thinking and what to do and what not to do, and maybe some of them are still in touch with their exes. Whoever is not, maybe, so they need to come out of this energy. So maybe sometimes you might feel a little left out. You might not feel that intense love that you were thinking, but definitely you can see finally you have the Two of Cups here. So it's talking about they are in love with you, they really want you. It's a Two of Cups energy, very balanced, very focused. They want you, but there are times, at certain times, they just get into those energy which I spoke about now. And this is what they see you as their partner, as their person, as their girlfriend, or as their boyfriend. So a person in life, and when they are with you, they are really, really, in love with you. When they are with you, when they spend time with you, when, they are really in love with you. But, at times they really are into some confusion mode also. So this is what I get for your current person's energy. So I will just see, it might for new love, it's it's going to be great, but it's going to move slowly. If for things, for some of you, things might be moving very fast here. So if they really move fast, after the clarity, it's fine. Some of you could just have a person, they will want you at a great speed, they want to rush into your life, And for some of you, there is still a confusion. I feel they're still holding on to exes, and you know, they're still in touch, but at the end they love you. That is what I feel. They are in love with you, maybe at times a little here and there, the balance is not that great, but they really like you and they really love you, and they see you as their companion, their soulmate, their twin flame. That is what I feel here. Now this is, I'll just pick up the angel guidance card, what the angel guidance has to, you know, say, pile 2. If you follow this is now for you. So if you follow this guidance, hopefully, you know, your love life is definitely, the universe is going to bless you with the kind of love life you want. Unicorn. So invite serendipity. So you have to be unique. You know, unicorn is a very unique horse kind of a creature, you can see here. So be unique, you know, do something unique in your life, do something unique with your person, you know, which you haven't done before, and it's going to get that excitement, that whatever I feel it's a little lacking here, everything is going to, that romance, that, you know, intense romance, that, you know, passion will come back into your love life. So this is it, pile 2. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and see you in the next reading. Now we'll take up pile 3. So let's see what's there for pile 3 now. I hope everybody's love life is going on fine. So pile 3, this is the white crystal on a pink you know, sheet. Let's see what the cards we have for you, pile 3. Five of Cups, Queen of Swords, Queen of Cups, the Judgment, Eight of Pentacles, Page of Rods, Four of Rods. Nice. So let's see pile 1. I think some of you, your partner, for here what the situation says, that there is something wrong, something disturbing going on right now, pile 3, sorry. Pile 3, there is something wrong, some imbalance in your relationship. They are sad, they are in sorrow, they are in pain. Will seek ahead what has happened. You know, they are seeing like they have wasted you know, their time and effort. That is what the card says. I'm sorry to say, but I should tell you. So some of them are really going through a sad phase, sorrow phase, deep pain, you know, and feeling left out and you know, cold kind of. So this is with the Five of Cups energy here. Maybe, you know, this energy can also be reversed. It could be vice versa. In cases it could be you feeling like this, but this is because your you know, person's current feelings. So this is your person right now. Now Queen of Swords. So I feel your person, because they have feeling left out, they just want to get away with the situation. Some of them want to just leave the situation, you know, and they leave this relationship. Some of them, I'm not saying it is a general reading, it might resonate for some of you. So some of them are feeling that, you know, they haven't done it yet, but this is the thought, this is the feeling that they have, that they want to just get away from this relationship with this Queen of Swords energy, I feel. Maybe, you know, this Five of Cups energy is making a lot of, that is helping them to come to this feeling. Now Queen of Cups. Here it feels that they very much cared about you, they very much loved you, they were the Queen of Cups. It's not about male, female, it's not gender specific, it's energy. So they loved you very much, which I feel in the you know, past, in your recent past, and there was a lot of love in between. But something has happened. So after that we get a Judgment card. So Judgment card means they are taking a decision. I don't know why. It could be your imbalance, or there could be family issues, or there could be some judgment or a decision that they have to make, so that they are getting away from you, or they have family issues, you know. So they were in very much love with you, they are still in very much love with you, but they have to make a judgment here. You can see the judgment card. So I feel it could be due to work, it could be family issues that some of them are thinking of moving away from this relationship, but they still love you. That is what I get from this energy. They really they had depth, the love that has depth. It was not a superficial love, it is not a superficial love, but here there is some decisions that they are taking, some decision that they need to make. So it's a judgment card now. Maybe a person from the past could also come back for some of you here, very few of you here, but there's a decision. With 8 of Pentacle card, I feel that this decision could be because of the financial issue. They could be like they have financial crunch, or they don't want to commit because of the financial, because they want to concentrate on the career, or they want to work on the money situation. So that could be a reason. They understanding everything that they really need you, they love you, but they want to move away because they need to work on your career, on their money situation, their stability, or any family issue or work issue that with this judgment card I feel. Now for some of you are getting a new love in your life. This is the Page of Swords. For the singles, it's Page. It's a new relationship coming into your life. Very bubbly, very happy energy, very flirtatious, very sexy energy kind of a energy you have here. Very attractive person coming into your life. Those singles who are looking, or maybe this is your partner who is younger to you. Those who have their partners younger to them, their person younger to them, it could be about them. Those who are already in the relationship, it is talking about this person. They really love you, and they are not that deep, deep inside, that intense, but they are very playful, joyful, flirtatious, and they think about you. They want to text you, they want to message you. That is what I feel for some of you here. And here we have finally 4 of Rods. I feel if this money situation, if these 3 cards here, which I feel maybe a little later they might think they might think of taking the this is 4 of Rods. It's about foundation. So they could be thinking you as their future spouse, as their future husband, wife, or but right now, because they are focused in the career, but at the end they want to, maybe they are working towards that, so they have taken a step back and want to focus on the career, money, but they do miss you a lot. That is what I feel here. They have lots of love for you, and for some of them you are getting married here. What I can see, you're getting an engagement or a marriage, or taking your relationship to the next level. Also some of you could after this money situation stability, some of you still could get married to your person. They are thinking about marrying you. This is what I feel, the current feelings of your partner. So pile 3, I feel ups and downs are part of life, a little here and there. Nobody gets everything. So let's see what the guidance card, angel guidance, have for you, pile 3. So this will help your love life if you follow this guidance, angel guidance for pile 3 here. Okay, find a way, money. So you get it here. See the money situation. So find a way to get abundance. That is what this is, the card which I was saying. Some of them have taken a step back, so find a way. Money is to find a way to get abundance. It talks about prosperity, abundance, and work it out to get how to get money, more money, how to get abundance in your life. So work towards that. This is what the message, pile 3 here. Things will be sorted, but at present I see that there is some disconnection between you and your persons. For those in relationship, and for new relationship, it's a beautiful energy, those who are into very new relationship. And for some of you, there is definitely a marriage. They're thinking, your person is thinking about getting married to you, and taking their life forward with you. So this is it, pile 3. If you do like my readings, and you feel that it resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. And thank you for taking your time out and watching this video. And see you in the next reading. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.